Hi, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So it is another beautiful and mind-blowing vlog. Yes, I'm so happy. My African stuff just arrived, and join me as we go to post to pick our parcel. Okay, so I ordered some items from Nigeria. Yeah, from Africa. Now what I go, not much though, but yeah, I just received a message that it is here already. So join me, let's go.
Enjoy yourself with tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be.
Guys, we've just gotten the parking place now, so we're going inside the post. Okay, danke. Oh, guys, here is the parcel. Look at hope you. Parcel is so heavy. Honestly, I didn't mean I came here alone. I wouldn't have carried it. So, hobby must come with me and look at it. My onanyaro. It is sure. So, obviously, no need for us. Go home. Fish. So, guys, I can't wait to unbox this. Okay, that is it. So, catch you guys later. Let's unbox this parcel together. Hi, my beautiful people. We are back home, all right? And now I think now is to 10 here, 9:40. Yeah, because when we return, I want to finish my evening house chores, make dinner, give the kids food, bed them. So now I'm done and they are in their room. So I'm here to unbox my Nigeria item. Okay, this is my first time unboxing the things that I bought from Nigeria, which I told you guys earlier that I did not buy much. Okay, I did not buy much. Okay, so without wasting much of your time or talking too much, let's go ahead to unbox. So guys, over here is the things that I bought from Nigeria. It's very heavy. Okay, it's very heavy. It's too heavy. Oh my god. So that is it. Unboxing is not for ajibotas. Okay, so let's unbox. I bought 6 pints of coffee.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know the ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And they boss. Put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect.
Right here, you can see our crayfish. This is 6 pence of crayfish. So times 13,000 by 6. That's what I bought the crayfish. Let's shift this one and let's unbox another thing. Hey, cooking don't start. This one looks like okwa, but let's see. What looks so beautiful, very neat and fresh. Though it's dried one, but it's fresh, right? So guys, here is the abucha. I don't have enough container.
Solution, looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And they boss. Put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And they boss. Put score we active.
But this is 1 pence, 1 pence, and this is another pence. So I'm going to be leaving this one here for now. Okay. One pint of okwa. I think this is
Stomach the rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you.
Hey.
And the boss.
I need so.
Put score we active.
I'm so grateful. So grateful.
As long as it concern food, oh. As long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Obajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself,
guys. This is one penta of ate hausa. Tiger no drink, here we come. I no go pity you. They better work on nature shape. Oh. This is one penta of iron. The iron is very neat. I miss you, Sam. I miss you, Sam. I have to make sure no one is remaining here. Okay. Be like guys. Spices. You see, upon that, they see the words very well. Eh? God bless you. God bless you. I'm so grateful. They see it the way that almost nothing. Even them here, they can't even know food is. If it is those days that they don't have a machine that is scanning anything that they bring. Almost. This my parcel. 3 months it has not come back. Tomorrow I'm cooking goat meat pepper soup. Here I come. I don't have any again. For my money. So that is it. Beautiful people, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoy our unboxing video, our food item all the way from Nigeria. Yeah. You see this up, Hey, I didn't mean there's still time now. I would have cooked this up by this night. But MIRA'S, go and rest tomorrow. So that is it, my amazing people. If today is your first time here, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Catch you guys in our next one, and remember, bless. Bye.